Welcome back, guys. What a crazy weekend. Bitcoin is trying to stay above $27,000 after the news have broken that Hong Kong and China are now allowing cryptocurrency and issuing licenses first in Hong Kong and potentially later in China. But there are still some warning signs in the chart that I need to talk about, still with the potential to go to $30,000 in the next coming weeks. If you think that it's interesting, then definitely stick around here. Make sure that you're subscribed to this channel, like this video, and also activate the bell so that you will never miss out on these important updates. And now let's get directly into the charts here. So as you can see here, that is already 4 days old, this kind of news. But it is still present right now and also on the charts when I have a look at it. So you can see here Bitcoin climbed all the way up to $27,300 approximately after we just nicked on 20,000 at the top area of the 25,000. We're like 25,800, 25,900, something like this. So we were about to break down, and then the news broke out and we actually went up again. So as you can see, late Monday night, Hong Kong Security and Futures Commission said it would retail investors allowed to trade certain crypto assets beginning next month on registered trading platforms. So in just 5 days, all registered platforms in Hong Kong, trading platforms, will be able to allow retail customers and investors to invest into cryptocurrencies. And I can tell you that will play a big role in the next narrative that is coming out of China with all the gaming tokens, with all the AI coins, everything. Also, the next bull run, in my opinion, will be driven by Asia and specifically Hong Kong and China. And first signs like this are coming more and more into the light right now. So when we are looking here on the Bitcoin price, I was quite concerned that here on the daily chart, when we were starting to go lower here, that we potentially drop all the way down to the, the 100? I think it's, no, the 200 EMA, to the 200 EMA here, that we drop all the way down here, which would have been, as you can see, around the $25,000 area. So I was getting prepared to get some limit orders in here, but then the news broke after this dump here and we came straight back up. But we are still trading in this falling wedge pattern that I had also outlined now multiple times in my last videos. And I also warned you about that most likely we're gonna see a retest of this downward sloping resistance line. And then we're still gonna go lower to the bottom here or close to it, and only that bounce from there will be the bounce that we are waiting for the breakout out of that falling wedge all the way up to the $30,000 area. And like I said, I still believe that that area is still acting as a magnet. That price level is still acting as a magnet here for the Bitcoin price in the short term, guys, in the short term, not long term. This is a short term target. Within the month of June, I reckon that we're gonna go up there and touch that level. When we are going then to the weekly chart, here's also something that I wanted to show you guys. So also here we are sitting right now exactly on the 50 weekly EMA, and that is a really crucial line for Bitcoin to hold now, because as we can see, we have multiple times tested now over the last 3 weeks that line. If we are losing it, that will be really devastating for the Bitcoin price, because then we don't know really where we are falling to. Of course, the next logical target would be all the way down here to the 200 weekly moving average, to $24,150. If we lose the 50, we most likely are also going to lose the 200, and then the only lifeline that we would have would be here, this line. So but also that is lining up here, so and I cannot really play around a lot with that, see. So yeah, so if we break down and we lose also that upward sloping trend line, then the next level, in my opinion, could be $23,200. And if we lose that level, guys, then it gets really ugly. But I don't think that we're actually gonna lose that one. So that would be crazy, guys. So but we should be still concerned about the potential to go here under the 50 to the 200, so that is still in the cards, even though the stochastic RSI is about to bottom out here, and next week should be an up week in my opinion, with getting a buy signal here on the weekly stochastic RSI. I think there was also, was it here? Yeah, so that is also concerning for me on the daily, and that is that the EMA ribbon is about to flip here bearish. So, and let me explain you why that is really bad for the short term. Because if we are flipping this now to the downside, this creates resistance for the price, and that is a dynamic resistance because it is moving. So, and that can go down like this. So, and then maybe potentially here flip, you know. And every time when we try to break this, that will give you actually a really, really great opportunity to short this, because I don't believe that we will bounce here like this to the upside and go up. I rather believe that we will come to the downward sloping resistance line, test it, including the EMA ribbon, and then see a rejection back into the falling wedge. So that is for the next, let's say, 10 days, my outlook. So when we're going now into lower time frames, however, when we go, for example, to a 4-hourly time frame, there we have an opportunity to trade, and that is the bullish divergence on the 4-hourly chart, because we have here also a bull flag, and that is coinciding with the bullish divergence. Just let me make this another color, and we can distinguish that better. Yeah, just like same color. Here you see exactly here in the example of the divergence. So bullish, price is going down, indicators going up. That's exactly what we are seeing here. Price is going down, indicators going up. So there you see clearly that we have a bullish divergence right now on the 4-hourly chart. And if we break here to the upside and get a bounce from the RSI, so something like this and something like this, then this divergence would be confirmed, and I would reckon that the divergence is playing out, and we go here definitely higher, and the next target for this divergence would be all the way up here, where we have all these wicks, kind of like here. So there, $27,500 approximately. That would be our target for this bullish divergence. So how should you play that? So wait for this bull flag to play out. So you want to see a break above $26,750. So, and then if we measure this bull flag, so you see it goes almost into that resistance level. So it definitely makes sense from a technical perspective to have the price target close to this resistance level up here if this bullish divergence is playing out, and also the bull flag breaks to the upside. So that is the trade that you can take here in the immediate short term, guys, because that is going to break, in my opinion, in the next 12 to 20 hours ish. So, and guys, don't forget, if you want to learn how to trade and how I make all my winning trades, then sign up for my trading course and my mentorship program here. And if you know already how to trade and you still want to follow my calls, then please do this on BYBIT. There you still get $30,000 absolutely for free if you use a specific link. And if you're already an existent user and not KYC'd, I think if you have at least $50, no, if you deposit $100, you will get $50. And if you are not registered at all yet, another user, you get $20 if you deposit at least $50. I think I got it correct here. I have to check it again. Don't nail me to these numbers, but you get something if you're not KYC yet on BYBIT. So that's for sure. That is something that I know. Guys, that's it already for today's video. As you can see, I'm not in Dubai anymore. I'm back in my apartment in Kiev for now. Don't worry, the war is not as bad as people are saying. You don't see anything outside, nothing destroyed, nothing. It's really strange. So so don't worry about me, I'm fine. And don't forget, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you then again tomorrow.